Hey guys, it's Riley from fixpectus.com. In today's video, I want to share with you ring push-ups. These are a really great challenging push-up variation, which is actually going to be better for pectus because when you're doing them on the rings versus a normal push-up you're in a fixed position. On the rings, what you can do is you can adduct at the top of the range of motion. So adducting is adding weight to the midline. So by turning in and supinating your hands, you're adducting. And so what that's going to do is it's going to enable you to get a full contraction on your chest. And that little bit of extra range of motion to really engage the inner chest muscle fibers. So it's just a normal push-up, you're pushing to the top and you're adducting and turning in, okay? Your stabilizer muscles are gonna work as well with this. It's gonna feel very hard at first if you haven't done it before, but it's gonna get you a really great pump, cause some good muscle damage and help your chest grow more. So if you're experienced in the gym, you can do sets of 20 push-ups, then it's definitely something you can start implementing to add a challenging exercise to your regime and help you get that chest growth more. So I'll show you how it's done. So see how I'm turning my pinkies in? I'm going all the way down, full stretch, pinkies in. So straight away I feel a really awesome chest pump from that. By the way, if you notice all the sweat, me and Pat just already did a workout in here, so hence why I'm sweaty and out of breath. It wasn't just from that one set of ring push-ups, but they are hard as well. So anyway, I hope this video was helpful, guys. Start implementing them. You know, for me, normally if I do them, I'm doing 3 to 5 sets of as many reps as possible, like RPE 8, RPE 8 to 10. So yeah, guys, start implementing them. Thanks for watching. Peace.